Anyway, we are at an estate sale, and Holly just told me it's my responsibility to do the video. If you've been watching our estate sale videos, it's been Holly doing it. This is the first time in a while that I've been to an actual in-person estate sale. It's on the right, so you want to park here and walk, or you want to go past it?
I might park in front of this silver car and back up.
That's a good.
It's not a mailbox, right?
That's not a mailbox. You're good. So anyway, we did a all subdivision yard sale this morning. There wasn't that many yard sales. This is like 5 minutes from it. My sister has the estate sale app on her phone. So if you are interested in estate sales, the app covers like the whole US. So just download the estate sale. I think it's estatesales.net app. And that's how she finds close estate sales. And St. Louis has, estate sale companies. And this one is Pennies in Your Pocket, which is one of her favorites because they're reasonably priced. Like Deja Vu is another estate sale company, and they price ridiculously high. So we're glad that this is a Pennies in Your Pocket one. Holly did look at the pictures online, and there wasn't anything that she specifically remembered wanting. But since we're here... Thanks, Holly. But since we're here, we're going to check it out. And this is the second day, you said?
This is
the second. 2 days, second day. Today
should be 50% off?
It is Memorial Weekend, so. I must resist the urge. I kind of want this. What is this doing in there? Anyway, look at this mini popcorn maker. Do you want to do any cross-stitch stuff?
Or do you want to?
Oh, I have that picture. That's funny.
I'm going to get an overcoat.
More in garage. Oh, I don't want to go into the garage. Unless you want the Santa Stops Here sign. You got kitty litter. Do I need... Oh, I don't like crystals. I don't like
that brand?
No, I love Fresh Step, but these are the crystals where I don't like the crystals. I mean, $5 for a bag of kitty litter is actually pretty good, but I don't want crystals. There's a warthog. Do I need a warthog? This tail is broken off. This tail is broken off. Here is a tiki mug. $10. It is 50% off. I don't see it marked. I definitely had a cat. I have a bunch of these. $4. That's actually pretty good, but I don't really want something that smells like another cat. Sorry. Some of those things you just need to buy fresh. Man, if we had a truck, I would be buying that armoire. $75. No, I have nowhere to put it, but damn, $75, 50% off. It's nice.
Rolling under the...
My furniture's not that dark. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where's the kitty at? I want to see the kitty. Where's the kitty at? I do like these style of baskets. So they did a lot of like races. Lots of different activities. This is the Airs, they moved to a different team.
Oh, it's Fanatics. That's a brand new.
That actually, if you are wanting to sell clothes, that actually might be worth something because they switched towns. If you want that.
Oh, I'm not selling clothes.
Oh my God, they never even wore it. $29.99. It has the original. Well, then you could.
You sell some clothes.
I don't want to sell clothes. I'm thinking about it though. I'm so sweet. I'm giving Holly that shirt to buy. It just went for $30 on eBay.
You're making me buy it.
I mean, I don't like doing clothes. I used to do clothes. It's too much work. What did you want to show me? We're in this huge basement. Huge. Oh, there's a nativity scene. Oh, look at that nativity scene. Holly is not wanting to show me the nativity scene. Cards. Is there any stickers? Or are they all cards?
Hard to tell.
Cards. You look through that. Oh my God. I'm pretty sure I used to have this comfort. Man, if I needed another nativity scene, this is really nice, but I got like 3. I need to say no to nativity scenes. I've got plenty. This is gonna be one big Christmas tree.
I have first listed that I've never seen.
Royal Caribbean. Uh-oh. Is that me or are you going to sleep?
I don't know why.
See, if this would sell if it was like more interesting cover. I've sold old photo. Is this a Pizza Hut one? If this was a Pizza Hut, that would sell. So they have kitty litter that looks like it's been used. So where is the cat? There is a cat somewhere. Where's the cat? I hope someone's taking care of the cat. I don't know if you realize that, Holly, but there's a portal to hell in this house. This house is scary as freaking... Okay, wait, let's see. Shirts. They're going to probably charge you $3 for that top. Tops and bottoms, $3. But it's 50% off, yes.
Do you need cassettes? How much cassettes over here?
Is there Rush? I'm looking for Rush for my husband.
Dark Syndicate?
I don't know the Dark Syndicate.
Asia?
Come here, come look at this. $19.99 at the arena. No longer there. I don't know what they're doing. There's like so much activity and there's like poker chips. Oh.
Poker chips.
I'm trying. Oh, it's a bottle opener. Okay, buy that. I don't need any poker chips. Cookie press. Oh. Oh my God. I need. Yeah, I have a cookie press. This is, look at this. Oh, it was like a hot tub. Like maybe a sauna, a hot tub. Crazy, 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 crazy. Oh, this guy dropping stuff. I saw someone carrying a hockey stick, so there's definitely some like hockey fans. There's some hockey stick tape, some hockey pucks. Definitely some hockey fans. Okay, so they only charged $1. It was hard to see inside how dirty this is. I'll clean it, and then they only charged $1 for that T-shirt. that she can turn around and sell for 30. So it was definitely worth the stop. But it was a little weird. This is the second day, and maybe a bunch of stuff sold yesterday, but I don't know. It still seemed pretty empty. Where did we park? Did we keep? Anyway, what'd you think, Holly? I try not to be judgmental, but that was pretty dirty for being like all.
So obviously we kept it clean.
For being like
There was
in this
nothing.
area, that house is probably like $500,000. It was
There's nothing left.
it was pretty dirty.
Here had because I saw the pictures.
These are like
It just opened at 9.
$800,000 houses, if not $1 million houses, right here. So I'm just worried about the cat. I need to know who's taking the cat.
What we missed
So
out on.
Holly's looking. They had a lot of blue stuff. They did actually have a lot of stuff.
Not left. Like all this stuff was gone.
Yeah, that's what that Warhawk. That was still there. The tail was broken off.
Okay.
So yeah, they did have a lot of stuff sold. They had a whole bunch of blue stuff in the pictures.
Yeah, like all these dishes. Most of this was gone. That was still there.
Yeah, the fondue set was still there. The popcorn popper was still there.
I don't remember seeing hockey sticks in pictures. So I guess, yeah, these pictures are pretty slim pickings. Yeah, there really isn't a lot in these pictures. Okay. All right. All right, so this is where we are right here. So this one,
No, I want to go home.
this is contemporary. There was nothing we wanted there.
No, let's just go get your dog food and go home.
Yep.
I've had an.
We can do a couple trades before I leave.
Okay.